All new trailering mirrors are standard on every Silverado 2500 HD and 3500 HD truck, mounted directly to each door rather than on the corner of the front windows. A lower belt line and taller side window glass add to the expansive view. Opt for the available 4-bar link power extending and folding mirrors and increase visibility down the side of the truck with an additional 3.3 inches of extension. Press the power extend button to fully extend or retract the mirrors. To fold or return to driving position, press the button next to the power extend button. You can even perform this action from the convenience of your key fob. To enable, tap on Settings, Vehicle, Comfort and Convenience, and then turn on Remote Mirror Folding. Now you can press and hold the lock icon to remotely fold the exterior mirrors. Doing the same thing on the unlock button will unfold the mirrors. Trailering mirrors also house a vast array of available lighting, including turn signals, puddle lamps, perimeter lighting, and auxiliary lighting. Press the task lighting button to the left of the steering wheel to cycle through the forward-facing outside mirror lamp options. Press the cargo lamp button in park, reverse, or neutral to activate cargo bed hitch lamps and perimeter lighting. The button indicator illuminates when the cargo bed lamps are on. Silverado HD is also the first heavy-duty pickup in its class to offer driver and passenger auto-dimming trailer mirrors. Altogether, Silverado HD's trailering mirrors set out to aid visibility, day and night, whether you're on or off the road. For more information, refer to your owner's manual.